Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to create a program that converts temperatures between Fahrenheit and Celsius in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to create a program that converts temperatures between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Make sure you are showing all the steps and explain each step and each line of code in detail to someone who is a beginner in coding. Please show the complete code at the end. Please break down the code and explain each step in detail. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. First, let's set up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it temperatureconverter.java. Step 1. Import required libraries. Import java.util, scanner. Here, we import the scanner class to read user input. Step 2. Create the main class. In this step, we set up the main class. We create a scanner object to read user input. The user is presented with a menu to choose between converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, choice 1, or from Celsius to Fahrenheit, choice 2. The user's choice is stored in the choice variable. Step 3, Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion logic. If the user chooses option 1, Fahrenheit to Celsius, we prompt the user to enter the temperature in Fahrenheit using system.out.print, enter temperature in Fahrenheit, and read the input using scanner.nextDouble. We then apply the Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion formula and display the result. Step 4, Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion logic. If the user chooses option 2, Celsius to Fahrenheit, we prompt the user to enter the temperature in Celsius and read the input. We then apply the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula and display the result. Now we have the complete code for the program. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the code, javac temperatureconverter.java. Run the program, Java temperature converter. When you run the program, you'll be prompted to choose between Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion and Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. After making your choice, enter the temperature value as indicated. The program will then display the converted temperature. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 1 to choose Fahrenheit to Celsius. Enter 32 as the temperature in Fahrenheit. It returns the temperature in Celsius is 0. Let's try again and enter 2 to choose Celsius to Fahrenheit. Enter temperature in Celsius is 32. It returns the temperature in Fahrenheit is 89.6 degrees. Which is true. This program demonstrates the basic concept of temperature conversion between Fahrenheit and Celsius using Java. You can enhance this program further, adding error handling for invalid inputs and improving the user experience. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.